Why create automated sales funnels? As sales are what makes or breaks any business, the ability to grow and increase sales is your business's security. Whether it's to increase new business or build on existing sales, you know the need to continue to grow. To focus your energy on your business's growth, you need to free up time and other resources. The best plan to free up your time is to create a plan to automate your business areas to allow you to focus on other areas. Optimally, free up your time is to create an automated sales funnel for new and recurring sales. Automation is the process of setting a process that requires little or no interaction for it to operate. Increased efficiency. By creating a process that can operate independently with minimal involvement by the operator, you free up time to devote to other tasks. The benefit of an automated sales funnel is that you create efficiency in your operation, and one that you can iterate as needed. Free up time and other resources. Automacy will allow you to set it and forget it, so you can, in turn, redouble attention toward new sales, products, and offerings. Think of it as an opportunity to craft, create, or distribute a new product offering that has been hampered by your focus on the current sales process. There is a pitfall to keep in mind with anything that operates on automatic. The problem is that with a hands-off approach, the operation will only move along a path as it was set in the beginning. It must be maintained and reprogrammed based on data of what is and isn't effective. Simply put, you need to keep in mind that automation only sets a trajectory. It doesn't foolproof the action. It's up to you to follow up with the process from time to time to ensure it operates on the most effective path. To quote Bill Gates, automation applied to an inefficient operation will magnify the inefficiency. While you need to be aware of problems with automating your sales approach, the benefits far outweigh the risk. By investing in automating your sales funnel, you will decrease expense and labor costs. One of the hidden benefits that automated sales funnels can offer your business is that by automating your process, you lower overhead on labor and time to a sale, which improves your ROI or return on investment. In the long run, an increased ROI is a higher profit margin for your business. Improve your data points. Additionally, automating your sales funnel frees up more time to analyze the most critical data and what is not working. This analysis allows your marketing efforts to sharpen focus and better target your potential customers. Find better leads and create better conversions. The effect of better targeting customers helps eliminate cost overruns in your marketing, giving your efforts better qualified leads and, in turn, increased conversions through your sales funnel. By creating a system that allows you to automate your targeted customers' buying process, you can devote time, energy, and resources that otherwise have been tied up. These insights offer a higher level of returns and a better understanding of who is buying when they make their purchasing decisions and how to best connect with them in the future. What if you could create a successful, automated sales funnel? Well, you can. In fact, Clickfunnels made this process really simple for you. In the One Funnel Away Challenge, which is only $100, we'll help you create an automated sales funnel and launch it successfully. We hope this helped answer your questions. You can sign up for the One Funnel Away Challenge by clicking on the link below this video. Clickfunnels will help you create a successful, automated sales funnel. They'll help you launch it and make your first sale.